Let's play a little game. Can you choose your preferred products from the list I will be giving below? Are you ready? A Ralph Lauren Polo or a regular shirt? iPad or Google Nexus? Beats by Dre or Panasonic earphones? Studio 35 or Gillette razors? Coca-Cola or Big Cola? Hisense or Samsung TV? Microsoft Office or Trio Office? Apple's Lightning Cable or Amazon's Lightning Cable? CamPack or a GoPro? Fitbit or a Letufit fitness tracker? Anker SoundBuds or Apple's Airpods? Ninja blender or a Vitamix blender? Without giving it much thought, I know most people will choose a Ralph Lauren Polo over a regular shirt, a Samsung over a Hisense, Microsoft over Trio, and a GoPro over a CamPack camera. People will consistently align with the brands they know. As a matter of fact, you might not have heard of some of the brands I listed above. This preference for certain goods and services over others is a result of differences in branding. It's no coincidence that some of the most profitable businesses across the globe have highly recognizable brands. In this video, I will be sharing with you why you need to build a brand. Let's dive right in. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or a hustler, as I like to be called, raking in more sales and possibly making it to Forbes' list may be top items on your goals list. It's every entrepreneur's dream to grow their business to the size of Amazon, Nike, Coca-Cola, or any other popular brand. However, there is a huge difference between building a business that sells products or services and building a brand. Whilst a regular business can still pay the bills and liberate you from corporate chains, it may not last long. You'll quickly go out of business as soon as your product or service becomes priced out or overtaken by the competition. All your hours of sweat, time, and effort spent in building that income stream will be gone with the wind. A brand, on the other hand, is built to last longer and is an embodiment of your values and visions. To drive this point even further, I'll share one of my life-changing experiences working as a freelancer. Once upon a time, I was a top-rated freelancer on one of the popular freelancing sites. I had a handful of repeat clients and in most cases turned down new jobs. I was doing quite well for myself and had my entire future planned out. If you are familiar with any of these freelancing platforms, then you would know that it is against their rules to try to take work outside the platform. Guess what? I woke up one morning to a mail stating that my account had been permanently disabled for reasons best known to them. All my repeat clients were gone and my profile, which had over 300 positive reviews, was also gone. Now imagine being Bill Gates for almost 4 years and waking up to find yourself homeless and without food. This is how I felt. I needed to start building from scratch. I could have been better off had I spent those 4 years of my life building my own business. My experience may seem over the top, but it isn't. Business people who have not spent the time and effort to build their brands go through the same ordeal every single day. Beyond the fact that you will be grossly underpriced, customers may pull out at any point in time. Building a brand gives you more control over your wealth. It also builds trust and loyalty. Whether you like it or not, customers are more emotional than logical. I could drive miles to purchase a Domino's pizza because I feel that they make the best pizzas, even though I have never tasted the pizzas of nearby vendors. A brand represents the sum of how people feel about your business, its customer service, reputation, logo, and advertising. Branding transcends your logo, name, or cool t-shirts. I mean, anybody can stick a design on a plastic bottle, but that doesn't make it Coca-Cola. Your brand is everything people know about your business. It's only natural for people to buy from businesses that appear more polished and legitimate. A brand adds credibility to your business. This is why a company may be willing to pay a graphic design agency like Pentagram several thousands of dollars for a simple design when a freelance designer could get the job done for much less. It's the same reason why corporates will freely shell out over $100,000 for an employee coaching session with the likes of Tony Robbins when there are 1,000 cheaper alternatives who may even do a better job. In general, companies with strong brands will always make more sales than those without any branding. This makes branding a very crucial ingredient in building a truly successful and lasting business. You can't be sloppy about building a brand. To have a lasting impact and make more sales, your business needs to grow beyond you and what you sell. The founder of Adidas died several years ago, but the company lives on. That is an example of a brand. What are your long-term visions, your defined values, your inspiring story which triggers an action every time, and of course, your kick-ass product? This is what a brand should stand for. Statistically speaking, over 90% of consumers said they will purchase from a brand they are emotionally engaged with. The best way to tell a story that sticks is through your brand. Another 91% of consumers stated that they were more likely to purchase from authentic brands. One of the best ways to position yourself as a leader in your industry is through your brand. This does not mean that branding is the ultimate solution to all your business challenges. When done right, a brand is like a gift that keeps giving. It will keep your audience loyal and committed to you, irrespective of where your life takes you. So set out to be recognized as an authority in your industry. When you grow a solid brand, the media will seek you out and not the other way around. As a brand, you will be exposed to more opportunities, and your seemingly minute actions will have significant effects.